Okay, we had a problem with our cabin situation as far as the radiant hot water heater for heating the floors up in Mount Charleston, Lee Canyon. So I Googled, I had to find a system. I found UniWest, Michael's company in Utah. I talked to him, he said, yeah, he knows the system, he's done it for many, many years. Talked about the money, we wired the money. He's here today, this is Saturday. I'm doing a lot of different things. He's covered many, many things, restarted stuff, and we're on our way, and that's great. And so the website worked, Mike did his job, and who knows what else we'll do later. That's it.